What's up guys, Stephanie here again today. Today we are doing a really awesome, super easy, good for the whole family waterfall hike. It's called the Likeke Falls Trail on Oahu. It's in Kaneohe, so the east side of the island. Really beautiful, gorgeous views over here. It's a really easy hike. It's like less than a mile, which takes like half an hour to complete. We just got on the trail now, so let's do it. So this really cool tanker here, you'll see you actually want to make a left right before it and go up this trail to get onto the trail. So the trail keeps going up here. When you see this arrow, you're gonna want to make a hard right here. That's not gonna take you to the fall, but this will. Alright guys, so that was the hike. It was super short but really beautiful, really easy. Like all activity levels I would say could do this hike. It is a little hard to find the entrance and get into the entrance, so my recommendation is you'll get up to the end of the road and there'll be a golf course that you can park at for $10, or you can park on the side of the road before the golf course. You might see cars there, you might not, but so that's for free. And then you can walk either through the golf course or you can walk through the little gate. There's one gate at the beginning and then there's a second gate you have to walk through, and then you'll see a little like bridge marker thing, like cement thing, and right before that there'll be a pink marker with a sign, Likeke Falls. So make sure you go up that, and then that'll take you to where the golf course actually trail part starts, and then you walk up that trail until you get to this beautiful part here that we showed you guys earlier, and then it's pretty smooth sailing from there. The trail is pretty easy to follow. So yeah, that's the hike. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, it really helps us out, and we'll see you guys in the next video.